Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever thought about how to grow potatoes, then you're in the right place. No matter if you have a small balcony, a backyard, or just a tiny space, potato growing is easier than you might think and can be done in almost any container. Today, we'll talk about how to grow potatoes in a bucket, in a container, and even on how to grow sweet potatoes. So, let's get started. First up, choosing the right container. You can grow potatoes in lots of different things: buckets, bins, or even bags. Just make sure your container is big enough for the potato plant to grow. A good rule of thumb is to pick something at least 12 inches deep. Next, planting your potatoes. Once you have your container, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by cutting your potatoes into chunks that each have at least one eye. Place those pieces in your container with the eyes facing up. Then cover them with 4 to 6 inches of soil. You might be wondering, how deep to plant potatoes? The trick is to cover the pieces but not bury them too deep. After you've planted, give everything a good watering. As your plants grow, keep the soil moist but not soaked. As they develop, you'll want to mound more soil around the stems. This is called hilling, which helps protect the potatoes. Soon, you'll see leaves sprouting, and before you know it, you'll be watching your potato grow right at home. Now, you might be asking how many days it takes to grow potatoes. Well, most varieties are ready in about 70 to 120 days. If you're growing sweet potatoes, they tend to take a bit longer, around 100 to 150 days. When it's time to harvest, look for flowering plants and yellowing leaves. Carefully dig around your plants, and you'll find fresh potatoes waiting for you. Be gentle so you don't damage them. Keep in mind that the time to harvest varies depending on the type, but a good sign is when the plant's leaves start to die back. And that's it. Growing your own potatoes at home is straightforward and fun, whether you're using a bucket, container, or bag. If you enjoyed this guide, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips.